Good morning, Spinster Books. Oh my goodness. I can't even. Hence the book today, Grumpy Bird. Kind of a grumpy spinster. Yeah, come on down. I'll tell you the story. It's an epic tale of mice and flying squirrels. No, I can't even. Anyway, so Miss Charlie would like to say hi, or I'm ignoring you. Hello, Miss Charlie. Hi, how are you today, Miss Charlie? Exactly. That's exactly how I'm feeling too. Yes, indeed. It has been a long night for us at the Spinster House. It has been a long night of yeah, flying squirrels and mice. But we're here. We are at the bookstore today from 12 to 2, and we are here for our 10-minute story hour. If anyone between 12 to 2 today would like to drop off a live trap about the size to catch a squirrel, that would be great. Because I have a feeling that's what we're going to spend the rest of the weekend doing. Miss Charlie will catch the mouse, and yours truly will catch the flying squirrel. Yeah, but we're both kind of grumpy bird today. Let's just show you. Yeah, that's how she feels. And I feel just a little bit better because I have, oh yeah, the nectar of the gods. Actually, it's not a bad day, people. We're alive, we're healthy. We have a nice home filled with friendly critters and a store that has no critters. Life is good. Let's get on with Grumpy Bird. Oh, he is a bit grumpy looking, isn't he? When Bird woke up, he was grumpy. Oh, yeah. He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. In fact, he was too grumpy to fly. Looks like I'm walking today, said Bird. Bird walked past Sheep. Good morning, Bird, said Sheep. What are you doing? Walking, said Bird. Nice, said Sheep. I'll keep you company. Oh my God, look at Bird. Oh my God. Bird walked past Rabbit. Hi there, Bird, said Rabbit. What are you doing? I'm walking, said Bird. It's no fun. Oh, I could use some exercise, said Rabbit. I'll walk too. Oh my goodness. Bird walked past Raccoon. Hey, Bird, said Raccoon. What are you doing? I'm walking, snapped Bird. What does it look like? Oh, it looks like fun, said Raccoon. I'm coming too. Oh, Bird. I love Bird's shoes, though. He's got very nice shoes on. Good for walking. Bird walked past Beaver. Hello, Bird, said Beaver. What are you doing? Let me give you a hint, said Bird. You do it by placing one foot in front of the other. Walking? Guessed Beaver. I love walking. Oh, my goodness. Beaver has a belly button. Bird walked past Fox. Good day, Bird, said Fox. What are you doing? Why does everybody want to know what I'm doing? Shouted Bird. I'm just walking, okay? Okay, said Fox. Let's go. Oh, my goodness. Everybody's walking. Bird walked. The other animals walked. Bird stopped. The other animals stopped. They kind of all bumped up into each other. Bird stood on one leg. The other animals stood on one leg. Bird jumped. The other animals jumped. Hey, this is fun, said Bird. Come on, said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. Let's fly back to my nest for a snack. Now all of a sudden everybody can fly. Oh, they all have belly buttons now. Oh. And they did. And the book is dedicated to Hermione, who's never too grumpy to fly. Bird is serving up a worm, and the friends are looking a little less than thrilled about the choice of snack. However, sometimes friends have to just go with the flow, and you take what's offered to you unless it's against your dietary restrictions or your religious standards. And I think maybe these guys could all take a little taste of worm and get away with it. Oh, and back to last week. Let's not forget the choice word from last week. Do we all remember Oaxaca? Not Oaxaca? Oaxaca? Okay, good deal. So we are here from 12 to 2 today. I am no longer a grumpy bird. After reading Grumpy Bird, I am never a grumpy bird. Miss Charlie is extremely interested in what's happening. The book was very stimulating for her. She can hardly contain herself with the excitement that is now happening at Spinster Books. And I know y'all miss it here, so we'll give you a quick just a little show of what's going around. Look at the messy store. Jill needs to do some shelving. There's Joe Kenda back there. Look at the table. Joe could do some shelving. Oh my goodness. I know. It's so fun down here. Look, this is the table Jill's been using for all her fun stuff. Look. Oh my gosh. And someone who's still terribly excited. So anyway, folks, we hope you're doing well. Have a good weekend. By my standard, it's a beautiful day outside, so get out there and have a wonderful weekend. Yeah, if we could keep the people from coming into town from all the bigger cities, we would be so close to opening up. We really want to open up. We really, really do. We're really, really bored. And we really want to see you all. But we want everyone to stay healthy and stay safe. And truth be known, we're having fun pissing off the people from out of town. We have fun denying the tourists what they want. It's our joy. Have a great day, everybody. Don't be a grumpy bird. Good grief.